Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of IPTV. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, is a fantastic way to watch content online. Let's start with the first step, choosing a reliable IPTV provider. We recommend 2tv.store. They offer a diverse range of channels at competitive prices, making them an ideal choice. Next, it's time to install an IPTV app on your streaming device of choice. Popular IPTV apps include Smart IPTV, IPTV Smarters, and Perfect Player, among others. Now let's go through the setup process of these IPTV applications step by step. Open the app and enter the IPTV subscription URL provided by 2tv.store. After entering the URL, make sure to save your settings and restart the app. Once the app restarts, you should see a list of channels available for viewing. If you encounter any troubles, don't worry. We've got some handy troubleshooting tips. Common issues can include buffering or channels not loading. Here's how to fix them. Check your internet connection for speed and stability. That's often the key. You might also want to clear the app's cache just to ensure smooth playback. Now that you're all set, enjoy endless entertainment choices from your IPTV service. Remember to check out our sponsor, www.2tv.store, for the best IPTV experience. Subscribe for more helpful guides and happy streaming. Until next time, enjoy.